Hello there and welcome to the new video, and in this video I will show you how you can install the moviepy library within the Python. So moviepy is a library that is used for editing of the video clips, and with the help of this you can apply the different types of editings into your video. Alright, so before I install, just a quick information that apart from installation, while you are working with the packages, you may need to sometimes uninstall a package or even have to upgrade a package. So all those related videos are present in the description, which you can also access. So let's start with the now installation. So with that, we need to write the pip command. So exclamation sign, make sure it is present, pip, then install keyword, and we will now write the moviepy. And before I run the command, or before you run the command, you need to make sure that you are connected to internet, because it goes online, collect the library and install it. So after you have written this, you will going to press shift enter if you are in Windows, or shift return if you are in the Mac. So what it is doing, as you can see, it is processing it is doing the processing by going online, collecting the library and its relevant dependencies, if any, and then it will going to install it. And once it will start installing it, you will see that a message will be coming as the installation, whether it is successful or it is not successful. Alright, so you can see that a lot of information has come, and finally in the end what it is showing is the successfully installed these decorators, successfully built moviepy prologue, all of this. So nothing warning or sh is coming. That means we have successfully installed it. So once you have installed it, now you need to import and start using it. So the way you can start importing is by standard way is use it import moviepy, and because it is related to the editor, so moviepy.import from moviepy.editor. So here we will going to say from moviepy import start, that means everything, every module or method that is available, import everything. Once you press shift enter, you will see that it is doing a processing. Generally it is fast if you are importing anything specific, but now if you see, it is executed and giving you basically the number. So when a star is here, that means some processing is happening. Now you can start using the moviepy library. So mainly I wanted to show you how you can install it and import it within the Python Jupyter notebook. And now I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.